All right, this first one, number 9, is independent. One weather doesn't necessarily affect the other one. So we just want to know what is the probability that this town does get hit and that this town does not get hit. And means multiply because I need two of those two things. I'm not looking at just one or the other, I'm looking at both. So 7% would be my answer. All right, let's look at 11 in the moldy bread. So the probability that if you pick one piece that it's moldy is 7 out of 21, because there are 7 plus 14, so 21 pieces. Now, that's the first moldy one. So now we put the little moldy piece over here. Ooh, there's mold all over it. Gone, which means I don't have 7 anymore. And I also don't have 21. So I now have 6 pieces of moldy bread, and I have actually 20 pieces of actual bread. And we are looking for and, because we're saying that both of them are moldy. So the first one and the second one, not the or. That would be like one or the other are moldy. I want and. So I multiply them. I do my fun little awesome math, and I get my 10 as my answer. Okay, we'll look at 2 more. These are just like worksheet 4. So try worksheet 4, see if you can get it, but if not, here are some again. So, may or may not study, and pass or not. So, he's 20% sure that he's going to study, which means 80% chance not. If he does study, he's 90% or 10% not. If he doesn't study, it's 30%, which is 70% not. What is the probability that he passes? So he can either pass this way or he can pass this way. And this way is studying and passing, which is 18%. And this is not studying and passing, which is 24%. But since it could happen this way or that way, I add them to get 42%. All right, last one. So here we go. Play or home. If he plays, he's gonna feel guilty, maybe 60% chance. If he studies, he's only gonna feel 5%. So let's see, this would be 40. And this will be 95. The probability that he goes to play and feels guilty, that he plays and feels guilty, is 42%. So this times this is this, or this divided by this gives me that. And our question is, what is the probability that he stays home? 30% chance of staying home and studying. Okay, thanks for playing.